Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the home page in your Opera web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Opera menu icon up at the top left. Just go ahead and left click on that and go down and select Settings. And on the right side, you want to scroll down or underneath where it says on startup. If you want to open up a specific web page here, you can select open a specific page or set of pages and then select add a new page. At this point, copy and paste the website URL you want to set as your home page. Alternatively, if you already have the web page open, you can just go ahead and just select use current pages. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.